everybody, it's Sha Blackburn, the LoonWitch here. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my upcoming series, Discovering Divination. In this series, it's one meeting a month for each month of 2023, and each month you learn a different form of divination. I can tell you what you won't learn is tarot, and you will not learn the runes from me during Discover Divination. All the classes will be divination forms that you can learn in one session. So I don't share the full syllabus until you commit to the series, because each month is a different workshop, and each month when you commit to the full series will be a new step on how you can create your own form of divination. So some of the topics that we will cover will be crystal ball scrying. We'll also do mirror scrying, and those different forms of scrying will be in one class. We will do tasseography, we will cover handwriting analysis, we will cover working with oracle cards, we'll work with opening your third eye and helping you to step into becoming an oracle yourself. I will teach you the method that I use for augury, which is omen telling. And there are many other topics that we will cover, including working with the pendulum, numerology, and more. So I hope that you'll join me. Class is starting in person or online. You can be online, or you can come to Wicked Peaceful here in Plainville, and it will be one Saturday a month. Classes start around 1:30 in the afternoon, and they will run easily 2 to 3 hours long, and basically until we finish the topic that we're covering each month. Our first session begins January 21st, so that's just a week away, really, at 1:30. It's $80 a month, and you want to contact Wicked Peaceful, which is wickedpeacefulhealing@gmail.com, or go onto their website, or you can contact me directly, LoonWitch@gmail.com, and sign up. But pre-registration is required to hold your spot. When you do sign up, you do need to let us know whether you're coming in person or if you're going to be an online participant. And one note for the online participants is that you'll need to get supplies to participate in some of the sessions. So in order for you to participate in the sessions, there will be some things that I can mail out to you, and other things you'll have to supply on your own. Obviously, for crystal ball scrying, you'd have to have your own crystal ball at home already, or you'd need to come in person for that class, as well as for the mirror scrying. But for the mirror scrying, I will also talk about how to create your own mirror for scrying. That's just scrying is just a class that's better in person, in that more present environment. All right, so I look forward to seeing you. Remember that space is limited, so you want to make sure that you're signing up as soon as possible. And until the 21st, be well.